Timber Country, it's really a match race on paper. Timber Country will be 2-1, and the sparring partners to Score Quick and Lake George is Trevor Denman.
They're all set. Field for the San Felipe sent on their way. They all came out as one horse. Score Quick from the inside gate immediately goes off to lead them, and Afternoon Delights is second. Lake George is right there. They're not in any hurry early on. Timber Country, as expected, has dropped to the back of the pack. He's 5 off them. They run past the 7/8 pole, and Chris McCarron and Score Quick, as expected, set the pace. Lake George showing more speed than expected. He's right there in second, and Kentosormo happy to have Afternoon Delights in third, 3 lengths off the leader. And Timber Country's now moved up on his inside. The 4 of them move on to the backstretch with Score Quick down at the rail, and up alongside is Lake George, still in no hurry out here. Afternoon Delights on a long range. Kentosormo obviously doesn't want to move on him, but he's just cantering along, and he's pulling his way up to second on the outside. Timber Country is still at the back, but only 3 lengths off the leaders. Past the half-mile they go in the San Felipe, and Lake George now ahead in front of Score Quick. Afternoon Delights on the outside, those 3 in a line. 2 back to Timber Country. Past the 3/8 pole they go, and now Afternoon Delights moves up to put his head in front. Lake George trying to go with him. Score Quick has had enough, and let's see, Timber Country's in with a shot, only 4 off them. A quarter of a mile to go, and Afternoon Delights just cocks his ears back and forth. He's almost asking Kentosormo, you want me to run? Now he does. Timber Country comes to take him on down the centre of the track. Past the 8th pole they go, and it's Afternoon Delights being chased home by Timber Country. But Afternoon Delights is 2.5 clear and finding more. Timber Country closing, but Afternoon Delights to win the San Felipe. Afternoon Delights.
Again, everybody got what they wanted. Afternoon Delight, Burt Bacharach, Richard Mandel.